Hello everyone, today is a new day, new life, new beginning, and new lesson. Once again, I'm Teacher Angie. Our lesson for today is about congruent triangles. So what is congruent triangles? Two triangles are congruent if their corresponding sides are equal in length and their corresponding angles are equal in measure. So we have congruent triangles theorem or postulate. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. And when triangles are congruent, corresponding sides side in the same position and corresponding angles or angles in the same position are congruent or equal. Example, if the corresponding sides of congruent triangles measures 3x minus 1 inches and 2x plus 1 inches, how long is the congruent sides? Okay, so it states here they are corresponding sides and they are congruent triangles. So in here, we can apply the congruent triangle theorem or postulate that when triangles are congruent, corresponding sides or sides in the same position and corresponding angles or angles in the same position are congruent or equal. So first, we need to find the given. We have 3x minus 1 inches and 2x plus 1 inches. And for our solution, of course, based on the theorem, it states that the corresponding sides are equal or congruent. Therefore, solving for x, we have now 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 1 because it states here corresponding sides are equal. So, 3x minus 1 is equal to 2x and then combine like terms. So, we have now 3x and then 2x will be transposed to the other side. So if we transpose to the other side, the positive 2x becomes negative 2x. Is equal to, copy this one, and then the negative 1 here will be transposed to the other side. So this becomes positive 1. So we have now 3x minus 2x is equal to x, and 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Therefore, our x is equal to 2. And solving for the sides, we can use 3x minus 1 or 2x plus 1. Okay, either of the two, pareho lang ang sagot. So we will use first 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1, then substitute the value of x. So we have now 3 times the value of x, which is 2, minus 1. So 3 times 2, we have 6 minus 1, and 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. Therefore, the length of the side is 5. How about when we use 2x plus 1? Do they have the same answer? Yes. So let's see. So 2x plus 1 and then substitute the value of x. So we have 2 times 2, which is the value of x here, plus 1. And 2 times 2 is equal to 4, plus 1, and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So they have the same answer. Any of these two, pwede lang. Pareho lang ang magiging sagot. Number 2 example. One way to prevent the spreading of communicable disease in Baguio City is holding all the Balik provincia people in triage, where the people were grouped depending on how serious their illness. There were 2 triage formed like a triangle in Bernard Park, and both triangular shapes are congruent. The figures below show the number of people being held on each side of the triage. What is the value of x? Okay, so in here, we just need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, we can apply the congruent triangles postulate. that when triangles are congruent or corresponding sides in the same position, and corresponding angles or angles in the same position are congruent or equal. So in here, 3x plus 13 is congruent with the side 16. And side 12 is congruent with 3x plus 9. And the hypotenuse 6x plus 14 is congruent with this unknown. So first, we need to find the given. As we already mentioned, we have the bases. We have 3x plus 13 and 16. And for the height, we have 12 and 3x plus 9. And for our hypotenuse, we have 6x plus 14 and the unknown. So first, we can use this one to find the value of x. Solving for x, we have 3x plus 13 is equal to 16. And then, combine like terms. So we have 3x is equal to copy 16. And then, positive 13 transpose over equal sign, it becomes negative 13. Simply change the sign. Next, 16 minus 13, we have 3. So we have now 3x is equal to 3. And, of course, to isolate x, we need to divide both sides by 3. So we have now 3x divided by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 3. So cancel 3, cancel 3. So x now is equal to 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. Next, we can also use the height in finding the value of x. So the question is, do they have the same answer? Yes. Let's see. So we have now 3x plus 9 is equal to 12. Again, isolate the variable or combine like terms. So we have now 3x is equal to 12, and then transposing positive 9 over equal sign, it becomes negative 9. So 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So we have now 3x is equal to 3. And to isolate x, we need to divide both sides by 3. So we have now 3x divided by 3 is equal to 3 divided by 3. And cancel 3 and 3. So we have now x is equal to 3 divided by 3 is 1. So they have the same answer. And how do we check if our answer is correct? So checking, simply choose one of this equation. It's either the base or the height, and then substitute the value of x. So we have now 3x plus 13 is equal to 16. Then substitute the value of x. So we have 3 times 1, which is our x, plus 13 is equal to 16. And 3 times 1, we have 3 plus 13 is equal to 16. And 3 plus 13 is equal to 16 is equal to 16, which is correct. So if your answer are equal, then your answer here are correct. Let's summarize. So when we talk on corresponding angles, always equate those angles that are corresponding or sides that are corresponding equally. Okay? That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video. Thanks for watching. Please do watch, like, share, and subscribe. Keep safe and God bless us all. Bye!